The workout plan. I mentioned the analogies. It's 80% diet, 20% training, and abs are made in the kitchen earlier on, and said that they were bogus. Well, actually, there's some truth there. It's generally easier to cut calories by eating a little less than it is to exercise more. And unless you're a Tour de France cyclist, you're not going to get lean and lose fat by eating 5,000 calories per day. That said, training is critical too. It isn't just the calorie burn from exercise that matters, but the whole impact training has. For instance, training puts your body into a fat-burning state by ramping up your metabolism and making you create more hormones that are favorable for fat loss. Think of cutting calories as the weight loss aspect of your transformation, and training as the toning and shaping part. As I said earlier, the plan you'll be following is far removed from other weight loss plans where you mindlessly plod along on a treadmill every workout, or spend hours on the rower or bike. Typical cardio like this does burn calories, but it doesn't have any of the other benefits we just mentioned, and above all, it's boring. Therefore, we won't get you doing this. Here's what we will be doing instead. Weight training and HIIT. If you read the general introduction section, then you won't need much of a primer on these here, but as a quick recap, lifting weights won't make you big and bulky, but it will accelerate fat loss, kickstart your metabolism, give you shape, and ultimately get you better results. HIIT is a form of cardio where you alternate between very short periods of high-intensity work with longer, lower-intensity cardio. The theory behind this working so well for fat loss is that you get a greater metabolic boost, increase fitness, and burn more calories in less time. Plus, there's less chance of muscle wastage. With your program, we'll give you a few different options. You can choose to train anywhere from 2 to 6 times per week.